It's definitely a lot brighter. You can see how much it lights up the night. That's exactly what I wanted. What is going on, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about the Ford F150 back there. What I'll be doing to this truck is I'm going to add 10 more rock lights to the truck. I have 30 installed on the truck now, but I think I need 10 more because I have like dark areas at night or shadows at night here and there, and I know by doing this installing 10 more I'm gonna get rid of all that, so it's gonna be completely white underneath the truck. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna go to Home Depot. I need to get a piece of aluminum flat stock, the same stuff I used before for the for when I installed the other 30, and I'm gonna get started on this. It shouldn't take that long. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me, and I'll show you how I'm doing this. If you guys have any questions, let me know. So let's go. Going to Home Depot, get the stuff, come back, start working on these bad boys. Okay guys, so as you can see, I laid down on the table all the parts and pieces I'm gonna need. All the LED lights are there, the hardware, my wiring. I have the drill bits, everything is ready to go. And these lights are the same ones I've been using on the truck. These are from LED Mercy. These are really bright. I really like them. So what I'm doing now is with the angle grinder here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut pieces of these flat bar here, or flat stock, whatever you want to call it. And this is going to be a lot easier to do here now, because I need to shape like angles so I can mount the LED lights under the truck. But before I cut the pieces out, I need to drill holes. That's going to be a lot easier drilling holes here now and then cut them and bend them later, instead of cutting the pieces and fight a little piece trying to bend it. So it's going to be a lot easier. I'm going to do this one here. I'm going to show you how I do it, and I'll do the rest of them. So for all 10 of them. Alright guys, so here it is. This is it right here. I need to do 10 more of these. The same way I did this one here. I'm gonna do 10 more of these. So where is it? Where's the bolt on here? This right here. This is what I do. I just put it like this. I add the light, the LED, the rock light, I'm sorry. I just do that. I put this, I drill a hole onto the frame, onto wherever I need to on the truck. I bolt this on the truck first. And then that's it. Just hide the wire, run the wire however you want to run it. But basically, I'm going to do 10 more of these, and after that, I'm going to add a pigtail to this. Well, this pigtail here, it could work for some areas, but I need some areas are going to be longer or farther, so I need to add more wire to the LEDs. Okay, so I'll be doing that. I'm going to cut the rest of them. I'm going to start drilling all that. Once I get ready to start soldering the rest of the wires, I'm going to bring you in here and I'm going to show you what I do. Okay guys, so that part is done. I already cut all my pieces, all my angle pieces. My flat stock is ready. The next step is going to be add a little bit of wire to my pigtails, the rock light pigtails. I have everything ready to go here. I have my soldering station ready to go here. Shrink seals, the tubing, the wire, soldering, everything. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do to all these rock lights. I'm going to do the same procedure to all 10 of those lights, all right? So I'm just going to show you what I'm going to do with this one here. I'm going to solder them together right here. So, okay. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to strip. I have my wire ready to go here. Okay. Have my wire ready to go. I'm going to strip this. I'll get you right there. So I'm going to strip about 1/4 of an inch or so. About 1/4 of an inch or so. Okay. Okay. There you go. So I'm stripping back about that much. And what I'll do now is I have my shrink seal right here. I'm gonna cut it in half. I'm gonna slide one piece onto this one, onto the red one, another piece onto the black one, and then I have this longer piece of shrink seal. This is gonna cover both of these when I'm done. This piece I'm gonna slide it on to the pigtail side on the rock light, like so. And I think this is gonna be too, yeah, I think this is fine. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna twist this 2 wires. Let me get this out of the way. I'm gonna twist these 2 wires, the red ones, like so, like so, like that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with the black one. Well, you know what, let me solder this on first, so that way I have more room to work on the other one. Let's see, can you see there? Can you see it? Yep, right there. Okay. All right, so where's my, okay. Okay, that one's done. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other one. Seems like I lost my shrink seal. Oh, it's right here. This one here. So I'm gonna slide it on there, and I'm gonna do the exact same thing as I did to the red one with the black one. I'm gonna twist this around like so. Can you see that? Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna solder this piece. I'm gonna solder the black one now. All right. Next thing, I'm done with the soldering here. Sorry guys. Okay. Now I'm going to burn this shrink seal down. I'm gonna do this. See that right there? I have my little torch. By the way, I love this thing. I got this at Amazon, like 18 bucks. So it's perfect for this. All right. So this is done. Next thing I'm gonna do is slide the bigger shrink sleeve on top of these two, like so. A little more. There you go. Okay. Okay. That's it, guys. I added about another 2 feet, probably 2 feet of wire to this pigtail, and this is what I'm gonna do to all the rest of them. I got 9 more to go. So same thing is gonna happen to the rest of them. I'm gonna get all that done, and once I'm ready to go under the truck and start putting them on, I will bring you with me under the truck so you can see the way I'm gonna do all of them. I'm gonna show you the way I'm gonna do one, and the rest of them are gonna be the same way. So stay tuned. All right guys, so I have all the tools I'm gonna need. I have everything here. I brought everything to the truck. Oh, except for the rock light. That's very important. Okay. All right, I have it right here. So let's do this. Some of them are gonna need longer leads. Some of them are not. I need to try these out first. I need to know if I'm gonna leave. I left a couple of these rock lights without with the original pigtail, because I think some of them are gonna be able to reach, like that one right there. Let's see, that one right there, the wire goes all the way down there. All right, so let's see. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I wanna install one right there. I wanna install one light right here in this area, facing down, firing down right here. Okay, I'm gonna do that right there. One right here. Okay, the wheel is right there, so I'm gonna do one right here. I want to do one right here, right there. One here, one, and then I'm gonna do. I got rid of the spare tire. As you guys can see, it's gone. Doesn't make any sense having the spare tire. It doesn't work here anymore. So I got rid of the tire, of the spare tire. I'm gonna install the second one here on this brace. I'm gonna put it right here, one here, and then the other one right there, and then the fourth one same place. I'm gonna do the fourth one same place where I did the other one, right there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get them installed first, and then I'm gonna do the wiring after. So then I'll show you what I'm gonna do with the wiring. I'm gonna run the wire from there all the way to the top above the frame to this red wire here. Okay, I'm gonna tap into this red wire, red and black wire. This is for the existing rock light. So I'm gonna do that for the one on this side above the frame. I'm gonna get it here, and then this one, same thing. I'm gonna do the same. I might do the same point right here on the same place, and I'll repeat the process on the other side. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna install them. Okay. All right, guys. I'm underneath the truck here. I already installed that one right there. Okay. I ran the wire like I mentioned that way. I still need to zip tie the whole thing. I have one here. This one here is for that side. I have this one up here, third one, and then that's the last one over there, the fourth one. Okay. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tap into the wire right here. Hopefully I can get you in here so you can see what I'm doing. Let's see. I'm gonna try to get you. In here. Oh my, how can I do this? Okay, let's see. I think we're good. I think we're good right there. Let's see. Okay. All right. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap into the wire right here. Can you see it? Let me turn this over a little bit. Right there. Okay. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tap into the wires right there. I need that right there. Okay. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna cut it right here. Okay. Then I'm not using T-taps for this. I don't like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna peel back the jacket on these wires. Like so, right there. See that? I'm gonna splice these right here, and then I am going to use my wire strippers. There you go. And there you go. See that? And what I'll do is I'm gonna strip my wire like this. And let's see. I might have to peel back a little more. There you go, a little more. There. I'm gonna use my pick tool. There you go, see that? I just made a little hole there. And what I'll do is I'm gonna grab my negative. I'm gonna put it right through there. I'm gonna wrap it around. I'm gonna wrap it around really, really tight. Like so. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the red one. There you go. See that? Okay. So there you go, guys. Okay, there you go. And what I should do is, I should do the same thing. I should use the same point, the same place for this one here. I'm gonna do that, so I can do all two of them, both of them at the same place, same location. Let's see if I can get these through there now. Yeah, that's definitely what I should have done. Okay, let's see. Let's see if I can put it through there. Yep, I'm able to do that. Okay. All right. Where is my soldered? Where is my soldered? Did I forget it? Please tell me I didn't forget it. Dang it, I think I did. I'm gonna have to go get it. I'll be right back. Let me go get it. All right, I'm back. Are you guys still with me? Yeah, okay. All right. Now let's do the ground. Let's do the ground. We're gonna do it the same way. We're gonna do the ground the same way. Okay. All right. So, since I'm not able to get shrink seal in there because I didn't want to cut the wires, what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to use electrical tape. I know it's not my favorite either, but I didn't want to cut the main wires, so. I'm trying to do is just peel this back a little more so I can have more room to work with. Okay. All right. So first things first. Red one. I'm going to use electrical tape. And then I have Tessa tape. I'm gonna use Tessa tape on top of that right there. So I'm gonna cut a piece. And I'm gonna do this on top of the electrical tape. Okay. Same thing to the ground wire, electrical tape. The reason why I'm not using T-taps on this is because I don't trust those things. The wire gets cut, and I'm sure eventually they're gonna break and they're gonna lose contact. And yeah, so I'd rather leave the wires intact. Just use the pick. Put the wire through them, and then just solder them the same way I did it. And then once I'm done with this, what I'll do is I'm gonna wrap that connection with Tessa tape, like you're gonna see it here. Okay, there you go. Last thing, I'm gonna secure these two wires with a zip tie. There you go. See? Just like that. On this other side, I have a little bit of wire left here. It's a little loose, so I'm gonna use another zip tie up here. That way I can keep it tight. Okay, so I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna put it up here. Okay. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do the same thing to the rest of them, and when I'm done, I'm gonna show you the locations for the other, what is it, the other 6. These are 4, so the other 6, I'm gonna show you where they're gonna end up going. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we are done. I already installed all 10 extra rock lights, so I'm gonna show you where I installed them. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna start from the front. I'm gonna show you the new locations for the rock lights. Okay, so I added these 2 right here, that one and this one here. So what I did, I ended up cutting a piece of aluminum flat stock, and I drilled a hole, and then I kind of twisted it a little so these would be pointing my direction, like under the transmission. This is where I needed some light here under the transmission. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Then on the side here, on the side, I installed this one here. One more, so I already had that one. So I had one more right there. So it's gonna be 2, 3, 4. Okay, back here we did 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, so that's a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then I repeated the same process on this side. All right, I installed one more here and the other one right there. All right, so now we have a total of 40 rock lights underneath this thing. I'm gonna show you at night. I'm gonna take a video at night, and then I'll show you how it looks. I think it's gonna be a little brighter than what it was before. So, all right, stay tuned. I will see you at night tonight. All right, guys. So it's already dark outside, and I'm gonna show you what the truck looks like. And let me tell you, man, it's a lot brighter, and I like it. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's definitely a lot brighter. You can see how much it lights up the night. That's exactly what I wanted. Before, it had like a dark spot right there in the middle where the transmission is, right under the transmission, but now there's nothing, and there's no shadows whatsoever. I don't see any shadows. Everything is one white cloud. Especially back here. This is where the spare tire was. I didn't have anything back here where the spare tire was, but now I have a lot of goodness. Now you can see the chrome exhaust with all the lights. What do you guys think? You guys like it? It's definitely bright. All right, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. I hope you guys like what you saw. And just like I mentioned earlier, if you guys have any questions about anything I did today, let me know. Just put it down in the comments section down below, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Hopefully I didn't miss a lot, but yeah, that was the walkthrough of the complete build of my Ford Platinum. Thank you guys for watching the show, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Thank you.